everyone, welcome back again. And if you are new, please start watching the video by subscribing. Otherwise, you can subscribe at the end. Okay, that's fine. Yes, today I'm like happy and also like sad. And why? Because we have planned, and I have planned to go back home, and you know, traveling during this time is quite risky, but I have planned, and we have planned, we together like 8 of us from this particular place, from working here, are going back home. Yes, it is good that and happy that I'm going home, but I'm also sad that I am going to leave this beautiful place. I really have enjoyed here, 2 years here, and those 2 years were I did not go anywhere. I was always here. Like, I don't know, but that means I did not go back home for holidays 2 years. And this time I thought of going back home during the month of May for the summer vacations, but luckily or unluckily, yes, I couldn't because of this pandemic outbreak. Yes, but now, as it is becoming worse and as the times are going bad, we have decided that we should, like, it's better if we go back home and be there, because we don't know what is coming ahead. Yes, many may think that staying back is safe. Yes, I too think staying back is safe, but as in a group there are many like who have like offer going home, then we together must go, not only live half and stay back. And so we have decided to go back home together, and we have to face the problems that comes ahead. Yes, so actually we were told that we will be moving out by 4th or 3rd, but suddenly we are asked to like pack up, and we were moving out for Raipur just now itself in 30 minutes. So here are our loving fathers and sisters and other friends who have come here to bid us farewell for today. So thank you all, fathers.
Thank you.
Thank you, sisters. And see you again soon. So we are ready. All things are packed. They have told that we were moving out by 10:30, but it's 12:47 now. As we are halted here, like we're halted because railway track has a problem because of the landslide just before reaching Jiribam. Yes, we are still waiting for them to respond, and everything is like back. We have got, they have sent the vehicle here. Okay, they have sent the vehicle here, and everything is packed up. But so if we go from here, we have to like stay there in the relief camp in Raipur for a few days. I don't know how many days, until this train from Mumbai arrives there. So we have requested them that we will keep on staying back here, because it's better here, and like move out from here when we are confirmed that the train is moving out from Mumbai, because the train from Mumbai takes around 20 plus hours from Mumbai to Raipur. So, huh? Sikkim wala nahi.
नहीं है सर जी 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 जी
So we have the officials here waiting for us.
भाई सामान उतारो
हाँ।
कैंसिल हो गया ना
हाँ ठीक है.
हमारा नंबर नोट करो
हाँ.
आप लोग को टच कर देना
हाँ.
हम गाड़ी ले
Thank you. Huh? Okay, pak kenal lo nya, tama. Bom Karena prank kenal lo nya. Bom dia mandar. Now we have got the response from them that we will be staying back here instead of going to Raipur, and I think that's better for us. We will be staying here for a few days, and when the situation is under control, when the railway track is repaired, we will move out from here. They told us to contact them again, so now we have to take out our bags, remove the bags from the vehicle. So, khơi. Kita, jauh. Hai बोलो. Hai. ऐसे करो. बाय बाय करो. बाय बाय करो. टाटा. बाय बाय करो. बाय बाय करो. Ditanya.
डेविड सर
हाँ. Number.
हमारा नंबर नोट करो
डेविड सर अपना खाना की व्यवस्था करेंगे
हाँ. पार्टी करेंगे.
कब जाना है भैया इन लोग को
नहीं इन लोग तो कम से कम 3 दिन के बाद
3 दिन बाद विदाई पार्टी मैं दूंगा ठीक है मैं आज विदाई पार्टी देने वाला थी लोकल जाने वाला है बोल के।
आप कर दीजिए हाँ पहले आप अपना हमारा नंबर इसमें नोट कर
सर
अभी चला.
2-3 दिन मतलब मुश्किल है
उसको ट्रैक बनने में लगेगा
में टाइम लगेगा.
अब विदाईपुर से क्या आप
मैं
नारायण तो भैया आप लोग मतलब कोई पार्टीज जुड़ रहे हो कि
नहीं हम लोग लेबर डिपार्टमेंट
हैं
लेबर डिपार्टमेंट
जो मतलब
Pakan mo?
Huh?
You can politely tell them that the train is delayed, so you guys won't go now. You can mention my name that I had taken talk to the collector,
No, doesn't matter.
additional commissioner.
Mas na dalam. Koma, kalay tayo dalam.
You can go down then soon.
You can fly now, not go. Going is cancelled, flying is still there. You can fly if you want. Okay, so we are staying back for 2 or 3 more days. After that, Manipur. I'm coming. Manipur. Manipur. Oh.
Fine.
Yeah. So it's time to take rest.
Life is harder than I like to think, but it's easy when you're by my side. No point in calling, you just have to see the fundamentals of our life tonight. Cause I've been looking at a photograph of you, and I've been thinking about all the ways you move. This isolation got me feeling like a movie, my love. Yeah, when I wake up I feel empty, not beside you. My whole life been searching just to find you. This quarantine, it hasn't got the right to keep us apart.
This is how we have like prepared for the way for food for the journey. Cakes, everything. We can still save. I think fruits we have to eat away the fruits. Another thing, I think this bread also we have to eat away because it may take 2 or 3 days.
harder than I like to think, but it's easy when you're by my side. No point in calling, you just have to see the fundamentals of our love tonight. 'Cause I've been looking